Okay. So, seeing that you had a Mac, I just kind of wanted to show you a couple of things because that's what I use. And I think that your XL will be the same as mine. I'm currently using 16.93. Let me know. I think that you should be using that. I have a vintage Mac as well from 2017, and I'm able to access the program no problem. So let me know um, if yours is any different. Okay, so a couple of things that you could do for charts. As far as I know, there isn't like an all charts function, kind of in the same way that the other video tutorial was, but you do have, I'm going to show you a couple different options, just highlighting this info. You can come over on this bar, go to insert and find your charts. You do have recommended charts. Um, they've never been particularly helpful for me. I know that they work for some people. I'm not the people that it works for, but you are always welcome to take a look at this. Um, but you do have all of your charts here. So your line chart is here and it gives you different options. Um, but over on this like top toolbar, you also have the insert tab here, which you can insert different charts here as well. So you have that to play around with just for funsies. I'm gonna pop this guy in and let me make it bigger just so it's a tutorial. It's like a little easier to see. You have the option of also, you can change the chart type if you wanted to kind of experiment with how your data looks best, like which chart represents it's the best, like you can change that really easily. But you also have the function over on chart design where it should kind of pre-populate different designs for you, and you can choose based on that. But you also have the quick layout function here, and you can do different things with that as well. I don't like what that did, so I'm going to move it back. Now, if you want to edit, I know that this is a little different too. I think the Windows one on the other tutorial has like there's like a menu bar right here where it's just the different functions for editing the chart. Um, Mac isn't that nice. So what you have to do is let me get out of here and make it look like it was just on a normal screen. If I wanted to edit this chart, if you click in it, or it'll this add chart element should pop up, and that way you can edit the different like parameters that you want, and definitely play around with that. You can also, a lot of them will have like more options as well. So you can get more options by going like click on this. But if you didn't want to come over here and you still wanted more options, you can double click on the chart. And over here, you're going to get like a menu bar as well. Because I clicked on the whole chart, this format chart area is for the whole chart. So it lets me play around with different functions in here. Like you can definitely experiment with it. But if you wanted to find this menu for your actual individual chart items, you have to click on the item within. And then you can kind of play around with stuff. So like you could change color um, to your own preference. You could definitely customize things. Um, you can also, hold on, I want to add, okay. So you can also think you can change fonts and everything as well. I mean, the options are endless. I promise that Mac has you covered on this stuff. Um, the problem is sometimes finding it. I'm actually still learning new things about it every day. So if you are having specific problems or like you just cannot find something, definitely message me. I might have encountered that problem before, and I can probably point you in the right direction. But this kind of gives you an idea of the functions for you that you're looking for, um, because they do kind of pop up in different places than the tutorials that are kind of more in the module and in Canvas. So let me know what questions you have. I hope this helps with your homework. If you're having any trouble, shoot me an email. I'm definitely happy to help. And I will talk to you soon. Okay, thank you.